The BHF backhoe of the Geotech Pro Series has been designed for digging and earth moving. In terms of performance, the BHF excels in its ability to adapt to different ground conditions. Whether dealing with compact or soft soils, this tool demonstrates consistent reliability and superior efficiency levels. The addition of an autonomous hydraulic system is another significant strength, enabling efficient and independent use of the backhoe, freeing operators from reliance on external energy sources. Mobility is further enhanced by the arm's ability to rotate up to 180 degrees, providing easy access to complex work sites and improving precision in excavation operations. Robustness and durability are ensured by the main joints of the backhoe, made with high-quality materials to ensure a long operational life and consistently high performance.